Certainly. Let's dive deeper into log analysis by implementing a more advanced Python script that takes into consideration multiple types of suspicious activities. This script will read logs from various sources, including web servers, authentication servers, and system logs, and will provide a summary of potential security threats. We will create a class-based approach to handle various log patterns, and apply more advanced analytical methods to detect unusual patterns. Here's a more detailed breakdown of this code. Class definition: we define a log analyzer class to encapsulate all log analysis functionalities. Initialization: the _init__ method initializes the class with the paths to the log files. The analyze_logs method iterates through all the log files and lines, calling _analyze_line to analyze each line. The _analyze_line method extracts the IP address and timestamp and checks for several suspicious patterns, including failed logins, SQL injection attempts, and scans for admin pages. Extract IP and timestamp: the _extract_IP and _extract_timestamp methods use regular expressions to extract the IP address and timestamp from each line, respectively. Report suspicious activities prints a summary of all detected suspicious activities. Execution: initializes a log analyzer instance with paths to log files and calls analyze_logs to begin the analysis. This code provides a flexible and extensible framework to analyze log files for various suspicious activities. It can be further extended to include more log patterns, to analyze logs from different sources, or to apply machine learning techniques for anomaly detection.